Hello, Haripriya.
Yes, sir, could you solve this? I think I got stuck somewhere.
This one you got stuck, na? I thought because it's somewhat a tough one. Let me show you how I'll do it.
No one's joining today, sir.
No, no, they will join. Radhika messaged me. She will join after 5 minutes. Uh, Shama is there. Kanishka, they will join. Shama will join. Diva has a class in VMC. She won't be able to join today. Only these students are there, na, with us. Radhika has joined. Hmm. Yes, राधिका क्वेश्चन
Yes,
सॉल्व
sir.
हो पाया? नहीं हो पाया? तो मैं बताता हूँ। क्वेश्चन देखो था तो इंटरेस्टिंग, इसलिए मैंने दिया था तुम लोग। व्हाट इज एबल टू सी व्हाट विल बी डूइंग ना, विल बी ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आउट द रिलेशन between A, B and C. Yeah, she has the physics exam tomorrow. See, we have to find out the relation between A, B and C here. Now you will have to find out, see, this thing I gave you the hint in the last class that you will be using this green triangle. You can be using this green triangle to try to find out the some relation. You already know the hypotenuse of this green triangle is B plus C. Correct na, Haripriya?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And Radhika, B plus C. And this height, we can say this is C minus B. Okay. The radius is C. This is B. This is C minus B. The only thing remaining is how to find out this length. This. So this length I can say, properly look at the diagram. This length, this is what? B minus A. See, able to follow now? This is B minus A. So this horizontal length, I can write this is equal to B minus A whole square plus, let's say it is X, plus X square is equal to B plus A whole square. You understood which one I take? I took triangle, the lower one.
I
This one, this and this. So x square we can find, x is equal to, this is b square, b plus a whole square minus of b minus a whole square, it will be x square. So x will be equal to root 4ba, meaning 2 root ba. Correct? Similarly, can you give me the value of this y? Uh, can you give me the value of this y? For finding out that value of y, you will have to make another triangle like this.
I'll
But they
get
are
B.
but they are not touching. How will you find? This became a problem. X we have found
Which,
out, but
which two are not touching, sir?
this dashed line, na? Actually, see, Haripriya, I want this length. I want this length. How will I find it? Now, could you solve this question?
Oh, sir.
Hmm. Think. See, like I have found out the value of x. What the only thing you have to do is you have to find out this value of y. This one. Other thing is in the green triangle, you know this b plus c. This is c minus b. If you get this, your work is over. But how will you find out this thing? No clue? हरिप्रिया श्यामा राधिका कोई क्लू आया? See, if you take this one, see my this one. This is a. Th take this triangle. This is a. This is C. You know this length. This will be what? C minus A. You can find out this y. Okay. I'm taking this triangle. This, this, this. And now here a plus c whole square is equal to c minus a whole square plus y square. Can I write this?
Yes.
let me annotate it using this. You will be able to understand better. Color. This color. Pen in this. Vanishing pen. Acha, this one. What I wanted to show na, this one. First I have taken this triangle. This triangle. In this length I knew. This was B plus A. Both radius combined. This I have found out using B minus C. So I have framed this equation to find out this value of X. Now again, now I'm taking this triangle. This and this. Here this length is A plus C. This length is C minus A. This whole length is C. This is A. So C minus A it will be. This one. Now in this particular triangle, I have now framed this equation. A plus C whole square is equal to C minus A whole square plus Y square. Now I'll be able to find this value. Now here A plus C whole square minus C minus A whole square is equal to Y square. So it will become Y square is equal to 4AC, means Y is equal to 2 root AC. Now you are ready. Now take that green one, this green triangle, this that I have asked you to take. In the green triangle, you can write B plus C whole square is equal to X plus Y whole square plus C minus B whole square. Now this is B plus C whole square is equal to what is X? This 2 will take outside, so it will become 4. Root A again we can take outside, so it will become A. Root B plus root A whole square is plus C minus B whole square we are getting. Now you'll get the answer. Now here B plus C whole square minus of B minus C whole square is equal to here 4A into root B plus root A whole square. Till out. So it will become 4BC. What is this? 4A into B plus A plus 2 root AB. 4 will get cancelled.
Then it should be root B plus root C whole square, no?
Where?
X plus Y whole square.
See what mistake I have done. That's why. B plus C plus 2 root BC. Now okay na?
Yes.
So what they want? 1 by A will come here. BC will be divided 1 plus C plus 1 by C plus 1 by B plus 2 by root BC. I'm not getting the answer. 1 by root A. They're getting this answer B. No. They're getting B. I am not getting this answer. No. That's- What mistake we are doing? 2 root AB is equal to, so 4A plus root C whole square. This A is creating problem. Oh no.
Sir, apply square root on both sides. You'll get the answer.
Square root on both sides means?
Uh, Square root of 1 by a is equal to square root of 1 by c plus 1 by b plus 2 by root bc.
No. It will be a more complex.
Now, sir, we'll get the answer as B.
I'm not able to follow. What now? What we'll do? After this, you want me to apply square root?
Yes.
Acha. 1 by root A. Oh, acha. Okay, okay,
Whole
okay.
root of
Oh,
1 by.
oh. Arey, why did I not think of this? This, this is 1 by root C plus 1 by root B whole square, na? Okay, 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 okay. C. Mhm. 1 by root A is equal to 1 by root C plus 1 by root B. We are getting the answer, na? What's the answer? B. Hmm. Unnecessarily getting. Able to understand? राधिका समझ में आया? श्यामा, हरिप्रिया, हरिप्रिया understood I think. श्यामा?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. It was actually easy, but it required for you. It required thinking. In the last class only, I gave a bigger hint. You have to use this green triangle. After using this green triangle, you would be able to solve it easily. But question is B plus C. You know C minus B. You know how will you find this? For that, you have to take help of the bottom triangles. Yeah. Now we have covered everything till here. This. Okay. Uh, Now few little concepts I will tell you. Equation of family of circuits. See, when you have two circles, either one is C1, which is x square plus y square plus 2g1x plus 2f1y plus c1 is equal to 0. C2 is x square plus y square plus 2g2x plus 2f2y plus c2 is equal to 0. And if they want equation of all the circles which are passing through the point of intersection of the two circles, meaning if I take these two circles, if I assume that they are intersecting with each other, then the point of intersection of the two circles will be this and this. Okay. Now they want all the possible circles of all the possible radii which are passing through these 2 points. See, there may be infinite number of circles of different radius. Okay, there may be so many circles. And the concept is, how do you find out the equation of such circles? One is this green one I have drawn, is C1 plus lambda C2 is equal to 0. For different, lambda is a constant. For different values of lambda, you will be getting different, all the different kinds of circles that you may form. Okay, this C1 plus lambda C2 for different values of lambda represents the family of circles. Different family. Why they say family? Because all the circles are passing through the same point of intersection, means they are of part of one family only, but they are different. It's like in your home, there is your father, your mother, they are living in the same home, but they are of different ages. Like here, every circle is passing through the same intersection, but they have different radius. Okay. In the same way, in the family of circles, sometimes they ask you the family of circle which is passing through the point of intersection of a circle and a line. For that case, also you can use this one, this concept, like if this is the equation of line L, suppose say it is ax plus by plus c, and this circle is, this equation is, circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. In that case, all the family of circles which are passing through these point of intersections can be, in fact, see, later you will learn these equations that I am drawing now. These equations may represent any curve, parabola, ellipse, anything. It represents a curve or not only circle. But for different parabola or circles, you should have different value of lambda actually. And how the questions are asked on this, they will give you how to find out the equation of a family of circle passing through the point of intersection of two circle or one circle and one line. And they will give some hint that the required family is passing through a point. So using that point substitution, you can find out the value of lambda, that constant. Okay, then you will find out the equation of circle, required circle or required curve. Okay, understood? This happens for the straight lines also. Easy. Now let me move on to the next concept. Is director circle. Almost over. See what is director circle? Director circle is the point of intersection of locus of the point of intersection of perpendicular tangents. See, and you will find here it's actually concentric with the original circle. Suppose I have given the equation of circle f x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now, since I have told you it is the point of intersection of perpendicular locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents, I'll draw one perpendicular tangent to each other here. We want the locus of this point. I have already told you this director circle in this circle is actually concentric with the original circle. Concentric with the original circle means has the same center. Now, using this information, can you find out the equation of director circle? Think. Shama, did they teach you about the poles and polar also?
So what's a poles in
Pole,
polar?
they taught you this one.
Diameter circle, right? So they completed this.
What about poles and polar?
I guess they'll start the next class soon. I
They did
guess.
not teach you, na? Because
Uh-huh.
poles
No.
and polar are actually removed from the syllabus, I think, in the JEE main. The advanced poles and polar do not come.
I guess they won't cover, sir, if it's removed.
Hmm.
Because they told that even pair of straight lines is also not much asked in
Yes, correct.
mains and advance. It's been removed, or I don't know.
It's it's removed actually.
Nowadays there's no frequent questions asked from.
Because pair of straight line is actually very deep subject, but they cover only the top portion, means the upper se cover, they cover.
Ah, yes, sir.
That's why they do not ask questions. And in the last year, they have removed it also. So I'll teach you one more concept, that is radical axis. It's actually very easy, not difficult. If they are perpendicular, you already know they are concentric. The center of this original circle was 0, 0. So obviously our new circle center will be also 0, 0. The only thing left is to find out the radius. The radius of this circle is what? A. This is also A. This is A. So this distance is A. So you can actually find out the radius of your required circle using this triangle. Okay, now this triangle I'm taking. This triangle using this one, this two. So now using this you can find out the radius r1 square is equal to a square plus a square. R1 square is equal to 2a square. R1 is equal to a root 2. So what will be the equation of director circle? Director circle is x square plus y square is equal to r1 square, which is x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. This is the equation of director circle in this case. I have given you the circle as this, equation as this. If I have given different one, like x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to a square type, in that case the director circle equation will become x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to 2a square. If the equation of this different type, they would have given x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. In that case, simple. In that case, you can find out using this. It will be x plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square is equal to 2 into g square plus f square minus. This is how you find out the equation of director circles. Clear to everyone? It was easy, na? I'll tell you one simple concept, one more radical axis, then we'll solve some questions. Then this chapter will be over.
So after this, what will it be?
After this, we'll be starting binomial theorem.
Oh. So kind of quadratic.
Quadratic is very, if you want, I can take quadratic, but quadratic is very small chapter. That too is very easy. And the questions are also not much asked. It's actually covered whenever you're studying other chapters, and that's why I'm not
So, but quadratic is also a bit tough to solve.
tough.
No, so the basics are easy, but the
So question solving.
ah,
Okay, I'll
what
take
about
quadratic.
statistics?
Statistics will be covered later, not now.
So I have one small doubt, sir. So you're learning straight line circles separately now, sir, parabola and all. Then what is there for conic section with everything put together? So like,
Everything put together. Circle, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. Everything put together comes under conic sections.
in one question will be conic section.
No. See,
But we are learning everything separately in detail, no? Then why there is a separate chapter on conic section?
no, we are studying every chapter in detail because it's required in our JE,
Ah, yes,
JE
sir.
Advanced.
For us,
But but actually, whenever they teach you na in CBSE or your class 11, and they actually specify the conic sections, and then they move on to teach you parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, like that. And that too, the
Basic.
basic things.
Oh,
But because we are studying from the advanced perspective, so we have to study in deep, all kinds of formulas and all. But they actually, you should not forget, they actually come under everything. This come under the conic sections. Why we
so
say they
but
are
in NCERT book, there's only this first formula that we learn, sir.
which one? Circles.
Ah, yes, sir. That
See, I'm
like
telling now,
circles and
leave it, because that NCRT is only for basic students.
mm,
If you want to learn higher mathematics in the solve higher circle questions, then you have to learn these concepts only. These radical axis and everything they won't teach you there.
there's nothing there. There's only the first part is there. After that, everything is gone.
If you were studying for CBSE point of view, na, I would have taught only that.
Ah,
I do not teach CBSE students.
yes.
See, what is radical axis? Radical axis is the point of intersection of tangents to the two circles. Locus of point of intersection of tangents of two circles. Be able to understand the right point of intersection. You will understand, see, you will find out this point of intersection locus. When we try to find out, it's actually a line. And that we usually get when, if the circle equation is C1, this is C2 equal to 0. If we do C1 minus C2 is equal to 0, na, we'll get this radical axis equation. And interestingly, I taught you when these two circles intersect, the radical axis is the common chord. We have studied there earlier. What? I have taught you this one, na? This part. When I was teaching this. S1 minus S2. In this case, I have told you S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. Here also I'll write S1 minus S2 for no confusion. When they are touching, it becomes common tangent. When they are intersecting, it becomes the common chord. But when they are not touching, it becomes the radical axis. This S1 is equal to 0, this is S2 is equal to 0, say. So the equation of this common chord, this will be S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. Just minus the two circles equation and you will get this chord. This is radical axis. Now suppose I have taken one more circle. One more circle I have taken somewhere here. And I have tried to draw the common chord for each of them taken separately. This one. Wantedly I am drawing like this. And for that also, this one. It's not necessary that these tangents will intersect like this. But these three chords will intersect like this. These three radical axes will intersect like this. Hmm. Hmm. This one. Now these three chords, na, these three common chords, that is these three radical axes, which is S1 minus S2, this is S1 minus S3 is equal to 0, this is S2 minus S3 is equal to 0. These three chords actually they intersect at a point. These are radical axes. These three. This point is known as radical center. But for solving questions, only one concept, only thing you need to understand is what is radical axis. It's the locus of the point of intersection of the tangents to each circle. That you find by using S1 minus S2 is equal to 0, S2 S, minusing the two circles. Okay. Now let me give you some questions. Hmm. All this. क्या आ रहा है? हाँ सही आ रहा है. What about Haripriya and Shyama? You are able to get the answer? Or you want me to solve? Hmm. Correct, correct, correct. Very good. सही है. Good, Radhika. Now try to solve this question. If anyone is not getting the answer, tell me. I will solve the question.
So can you solve?
Okay. See. This is our circle. This is our chord. It is along the line y minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Or you can say 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, this is our circle. They want the length of the chord. The center of the circle is 0, 0. Its
Oh, you
radius
have to
is
use the formula for length of chord.
and the
Okay.
length of perpendicular from 0 to 0 will be this. That will be 3 by root 3. Means it will be root 3. So this length you can find out.
Okay, fine.
पर तुमने राधिका ये जो L/2 है उसको R कैसे मान लिया?
12 रेडियस से लेके चलो
हैं?
मैंने रेडियस लेके चलो गलत है क्या?
नहीं गलत नहीं, आंसर तुम्हारा सही है. पर कोई तो क्वेश्चन है तुमने ये
वो
लेंथ.
अरे देखो वो तो आंसर ना वो क्लियर करने के लिए वो देखो लेफ्ट में आर दिख रहा था मैंने आर कर क्योंकि सॉल्व हो जाता है.
नहीं, पर क्लियरली पता होना चाहिए ना ऐसा क्यों हुआ.
क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए कर दिया था लेंथ और
Hmm. Still it is not solved. This length you have found is radius.
तो उसके आगे कर सकते
हैं?
तो मैंने एल लिया अगर आर को नहीं चेंज और कैसे कर सकते
वही मैं सोच रहा हूँ ना कि हाउ विल
मैं
यू
तो
फाइंड आउट.
क्वेश्चन लाइक सॉल्व करने के लिए जो सामने देखा था इसलिए कर दिया और ऑप्शन मैच कर था तो इसलिए मैंने आपको वर्किंग भेजी हुई.
कोई बात नहीं, तो मैंने पकड़ लिया ना।
वो लगा दूसरा वाला नहीं।
this is Am I able to solve it now?
So
Still, it's not solvable. There's something missing.
you mean the previous question, not this question? This question.
Previous one I'm telling. Because see, this root 3 I have found, this r I have found, this is a radius that we have to find. But what about this? How you will find this length?
क्वेश्चन में गिवन नहीं है क्या? If the length of the chord of the circle is r
So we
equals to r दिया तो
so we could give the point of contact of that.
नहीं, कहाँ दिया है?
if the length of the chord of the circle सारी values दी, उसके आगे लिखा है is r.
नहीं.
L equals to r मान दो.
अच्छा, ओके, हाँ, they have
Given
given
तो
ना.
है.
Okay, it is r. हाँ, okay, sorry. Otherwise, I was thinking of something else. The length of the chord of the circle, this circle along the line is r. हाँ. Okay, now okay. हाँ. This chord length is given to be r, so this length will be r by 2. So this triangle, हाँ, now okay, आप ठीक हो.
मैं जब बोला
r square,
क्वेश्चन में कुछ गलत ना हो तो मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ के देखा, सामने
नहीं,
लिखा तो हुआ है.
नहीं, मैंने नहीं पढ़ा था ठीक से. r square is equal to 3 plus r square by 4. अब सही है. 3r square by 4 is equal to 3. So r will be, अबे r square I'm getting as 4. What it is?
r square equals to 3 upon under root 5 का whole square plus r by 2 का whole square.
अरे मैंने बहुत गलतियां की हैं. It is not root 3.
You didn't find this.
I found wrong. This perpendicular distance now from the, this will be modulus of minus 3, modulus of plus 3 divided by root 2 square plus 1 means root 5. This is 3 by root 5. So now 3 by root 5 whole square, r square is equal to 9 by 5 plus r square by 4. What is 3r square by 4? It is 9 by 5. 3 is 9. R square is equal to 12 by 5. Okay. Easy. Try solving this one. Acha, time is over now. You do one thing, take it as a homework. Try solving at home. Now you can solve circles questions easily. Now in the next class, we'll start with the quadratic equation. Some part because Shama is feeling difficult. Then we'll move on to, after doing this.
सेकंड वाला सॉल्व नहीं होता.
नहीं हो रहा. Hint दूं?
पॉइंट ऑफ टेंडेंसी दिया हुआ है, स्लोप निकाल सकते हैं. मैंने इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन तक निकाल लिया.
अच्छा.
इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन बन गई y is equal to x plus c और सेंटर 3,0.
उसमें कंडीशन लगाओ ना वो वाली.
x minus
Y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the circle and it is perpendicular to the line L1, where L1 is a tangent to the circle this at the point. मुझे डायग्राम बनाना पड़ेगा. कि डायग्राम इज, पहले टेंजेंट है, फर्स्ट टेंजेंट एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली perpendicular to your line L1. Line L1 is tangent to the circle this. Let it take more time. Yeah. This is your other circle. X square plus y square is equal to 1. The point is 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. Then see, what you can do is you can find out the tangent to this. Equation of tangent to this means the red line. L1 easily you can find. X by root 2 plus y by root 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. This is perpendicular to the our tangent, first circle. So its slope, the slope of this is what? 1 minus 1. So its slope will be 1. So the equation what you have got is y is equal to x plus c. इसका सेंटर क्या है? माइनस 3,0.
3,0.
तो रेडियस क्या है तुम्हें पता ही है 1 है.
1.
निकाल लो कंडीशन, सॉल्व भी हो गया.
तो अब इससे वो कर लो ना ax1 plus by1 plus c
3
upon
plus
under root
c
of
minus 0 by root 2 is equal to 1. So you'll get 3 plus c is equal to root 2. So c is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 2 actually.
अच्छा.
So c square is equal to 9 plus 2 plus minus 6 root. क्या है ये? नहीं, what I'll do one more thing. I'll square here only. Here only I'll square. Now we'll get the equation. C plus 3 whole square is equal to 2. So it will be c square plus 9 plus 6c is equal to 4. So it becomes c square plus 6c plus 5 is equal to 0. अरे यार, root 2, this will become 2. 7.
7 वाला हो गया.
C square plus 6c plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, let's end it. It was easy only actually.